Jai Mahakal. So whether you are a software engineer or a DevOps engineer, throttling is an essential component of a system design, and if you truly want to master system designing, then throttling is something that you should be knowing in depth. I have a dedicated in-depth video created on throttling. Link for the same would be in the pinned comment. In this video, we would be discussing on two important myths around throttling. So the first one is throttling is only based on request per second, request per minute, that is only at a request level. This is partially true, because throttling is not only applied at a request level, it is applied at the bandwidth, that is how much upload bandwidth and the download bandwidth is there. If that is getting exceeded, then throttling comes into the play. Then concurrency, like how many concurrent users can be there at one time. Burst limit, like okay, if there is a normal flow and sudden there is a burst or a spike, how much the system can handle, post that system would start throttling the request. The second myth is throttling is tightly coupled with rate limiting. This is again a myth. Throttling with rate limiting is a static throttling, but other than that, there is something called dynamic throttling as well, where system itself decide without any rate limiting parameter like now I should start throttling the request. For example, in the Kafka, if there is a lag in the consumer, then broker itself throttles the request. Similarly, if your, let's say, your internet quality is bad, then your video streaming quality becomes low from let's say 480 pixels, it will go to 144 pixels. So these are very two important myths that was there on the throttling.